Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Tanisha, and how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. So today I'm going to be making a video of deep cleaning my room because it is very, very messy. October is now over. We are in November, and it's time for a room cleanup because it is very messy in my room. So come along with me, and my sister will probably be with you sometimes. So come along and let's clean our bed and make it beautiful. So right now we are cleaning our bed and we are making the bed right now. So what is that belt doing here? Anyways, we're making the bed and voila, the bed sheet is ready. Now we're gonna put all these pillows back and it's gonna be so good. And there are all the pillows together. You guys can see it looks so good. So now that we're done the bed, we're gonna move on to the next thing. Yeah, this is the problem. I make my desk really messy and I gotta fix it. So we're going to be cleaning the desk together. You're gonna see a lot of bracelets, crayons, pens, all of those things everywhere. So come along and listen to some ASMR while I clean up my desk. Alright, that's enough ASMR for you guys. So, as you can see, I have 3 cubbies on my desk, and there's a lot of things that went in there. I don't know why my stickers were everywhere. I was doing some projects, so that's why. And that's my sister's and my drawer. In here, got more crayons and more bracelets. Why are there so many bracelets here? It is so weird. Like, why? And my camera's tipped over because I was using it. Oh my god, my moon ball. I charged it overnight. It is so colorful now. And I'm going to get this on the stand. Beautiful. That's the remote. Why is this here? Why? It's supposed to be up there. Perfect. We're going to move on to that next. But take a look at my Artistry Studio Pampered Pal. It's such a good lip balm. Anyways, that's my crayon thing. Now we're going to put it in the drawer. It is so nice to have drawers. Finally, to keep everything there so it is organized. I just gotta work on organizing it a bit because, I'm not that good at it. But anyways, oh my gosh, more bracelets. I am sick of the bracelets. Oh, this is a little container. More bracelets. Put those there. And we're gonna slide everything to make it neat and clean. Ugh, I dropped my camera. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys it. It pops up and you can take pictures with it. And it's a printable picture, so right when you take a picture it prints. There's my iPad stand. Oh, there's the remote to the LED light. It is so cool. I love it. It is amazing. There's so many colors and it's just amazing. I don't know what to say. Charger goes in there. Got a bunch of stuff in there. I really don't know what's in there. I'm gonna close it. And we're gonna put it in the drawer. Do you guys want to listen to some more ASMR? I think so. I'm gonna give you some. Now I'm putting this trash in there. I really don't know why I had a bunch of trash on there. Now voila, this desk is so clean and amazing. Looks amazing. Now we're moving on to here. This place is horrendous. So it's so dirty. There's so many things, little tiny bracelets and jewelry and everything here. It is just horrible. I'll show you guys now. So got a bunch of clips that I keep in there, so it is organized, and it's going to be put in that little lower area so that it stays organized. And then I'm going to put a bunch of my bracelets and everything. So, do you guys want some ASMR? Alrighty. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, it looks way better right now. The ASMR was so good. And it looks very fast because it's sped up. This took so long to organize because of how many bracelets and everything I have. But yeah, I have so many clay bead bracelets, which I'm so thankful for. And I have so many boxes, so I can put all of these extra clips and like little like pretty things that I just have laying around. So after this, we're going to be doing my skincare area because that one could really use some work too. Yeah, I make a mess. But it looks like it's done. And it looks so good. But now we're going to move on to the skincare area. Skincare like body care. So there's my lotion, my deodorant, my favorite thing, which is my moisturizer, my other moisturizer serum thing, my lip gloss, my lip balm thingy. And it's new, by the way. I'm so excited. My mom bought me a new one. And why is this pen here? We gotta put it away. Got the thing for pimples. And I think I'm gonna move that there. And then put the serum one here. It looks so good. And why is there a bracelet here? I must have forgotten to put it away when I was cleaning that. But what is this? Some trash. Ugh. Put it back in the trash. And we're going to clean that clock. That clock needs a dusty, busty cleanup. It's so dirty. So yeah. And as you can see, this floor is disgusting. So we're going to be vacuuming it. But first, we gotta pick up every single like dirt that will not fit in the vacuum so that it will actually vacuum. Now we're gonna put it in the trash and we're going to vacuum. It is very loud, so I muted this part. But as you can see, it looks very good now. And now we're going to be organizing the drawers here. The drawers, some of them are pretty good, some of them are not, which is great. But that is my favorite notebook. I love it. That drawer is good. Now let's check the first one. Oh my god, it's horrible. We're going to take everything out and I got some more ASMR for you. As you can see, we have so many things. Those papers were my sister's star student things. And it is very decluttery here. Now we're going to move to the second drawer, which is great. The third one could use a little bit rearranging. Move that. Slide that over. And I think put that there. Leave it in the spot. Now I could bring the instructions in. And we're going to be bringing the little thing for the curtain. I don't know what it is. Don't ask me. And my big crayon. And my camera thing. So now we are done our room, and here's the tour. It looks so good. Everything is so neat and clean, all thanks to me. And thank you guys so much for coming along with me. Without your guys' motivation, I wouldn't be cleaning my room right now. But thank you so much. And I'm going to be ending this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you love our channel, because we love you guys. So I want you guys to see everything. So bye.